Okay, so I'm on. Hi.
Dying and what the
Without
The chances of anything.
I'm gonna see how fast I can swim. Ready?
How fast you can
Fuck
swim?
is on my shit.
you get it? All right, go throw it away. Good job.
But where is it?
Ew.
Oh shit!
It's attacking me!
Do I have something in my hair?
I've told you about doing that!
You're gonna cry. Mama's coming
Under that cup is a bug, and she told me that it's been down there for how many years? At least 2.